Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Ads automated bidding with AI for lead gen, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting ads.google.com. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign where you want to enable automated bidding. If you don't have an existing campaign, create a new one by clicking the plus sign in the campaign section. Choose the campaign type that aligns with your lead generation goals, for example, search or display. Next, set your campaign's budget and select your target audience. Once your campaign settings are in place, scroll to the bidding section. Click on the bidding option to see various bidding strategies available. Select Choose a bid strategy directly. From the drop-down menu, you will find multiple automated bidding options. For lead generation, consider selecting Maximize Conversions or Target CPA. Maximize Conversions focuses on getting the most leads. Target CPA allows you to set a specific cost per acquisition for your leads. Make your selection based on your campaign goals and budget insights. After selecting a bidding strategy, click Save and Continue. Next, set up your ad groups by defining relevant keywords that will drive traffic. Create engaging ads that clearly communicate your offer and call to action. When you have completed your ads, review all settings carefully. Ensure that tracking is enabled for conversions. This is crucial for automated bidding success. To do this, go to the Tools and Settings menu. Under Measurement, select Conversions. Set up tracking for your lead generation actions, such as form submissions or signups. Return to your campaign overview and, when everything looks good, click the Publish button. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance regularly. Review the data to see how automated bidding is affecting your lead generation. Adjust your budget and targeting as necessary to optimize results. Over time, the AI behind automated bidding will learn from your data and improve performance. Patience is key, as it may take a few weeks to see significant results. Continue optimizing your ads, keywords, and landing pages for the best outcomes. After a period, assess whether your bidding strategy needs adjustment based on performance metrics. With these steps, you've successfully set up Google Ads automated bidding for lead generation. Congratulations on taking this step to enhance your marketing efforts with AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech